Okay, for anyone that's curious about what a Dierya keyboard sounds like with red gateron switches, this is what a Dierya keyboard sounds like with red gateron switches. This is a sound test. This is it. The Dierya EK63. And it sounds a little bit... Fix the camera for a second. This is what it sounds like. So yeah, that's what a Dierya keyboard sounds like. And that's with the stands up. Stands down. A little bit lowered now. Sounds like this. There you go. Backspace. Shift. Oh, that was actually caps lock. My bad. Shift. Control. Backspace over here. Slash. Enter. Yes, the space bar is actually lubed, and you can literally see that on it. But yeah, and there you go. There you have it.